to read about the Midwest region, which we've been working on, and we're going to talk about climate. So, what it's like to live in the Midwest region. And we kind of know because we live in Minnesota, right? So, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to do a little bit of reading with you, and then you have a section where you are going to do true or false. Okay? All right. So, we're going to start right up here. The Midwest region has relatively dry climate. There are 4 seasons, ranging from mild and pleasant summers to very cold winters. We know about this, don't we? The winters usually have lots of snowfall and heavy, chilly winds. Much of the rainfall occurs in late spring and early summer. The climate of the Midwest is affected by its location and the Great Lakes. Oceans have a moderating effect on climate. Due to the far location of the Midwest from the oceans, the region experiences large seasonal swings in temperature. So temperature can be high, temperature can be low. Because the oceans where we're located, this is important, it says due to the far location of the Midwest from the ocean. So we're far away from the oceans. We know that, don't we? All right, and this is my true or false section, but before we go on to that, I'm going to read this part about natural disasters. It says the Midwest region and the Great Plains are often referred to as Tornado Alley. This area stretches from Iowa and North Dakota all the way down to Texas and Louisiana. Tornadoes are extremely violent storms with a spinning tube of air that touches the ground. Some tornadoes can reach high speeds, as high as 300 miles per hour, and are strong enough to wipe out an entire village in a matter of a few minutes. Floods are another, I'm right here, floods are another natural disaster occurring in the Midwest region. Most floods are a result of heavy rains that occur during the spring and summer seasons. Okay, so they're going to ask us some questions now about what we read. And you have to decide, are they true or false? Put the T or F in the parentheses. All right, let's do one together. The Tornado Alley is located in the eastern part of the Midwest. So it's important to go back and look at where they're talking about Tornado Alley, right? Which is right here. You can use your highlighter. Okay, it says here that the Midwest region and the Great Plains are often referred to as Tornado Alley. It does not say that it says this area stretches from Iowa and North Dakota all the way down to Texas and Louisiana. Okay, so it's not just the eastern part of the United States, is it? So that would be a false. Okay. So the best thing to do, guys, is to read it, and then look up in the reading. Like I can see number 2 here, the oceans have a moderating effect on the climate of the Midwest region. I can go up and I can highlight where I found that answer, okay? And then I can highlight it and see that it's true, okay? So I would love to see some highlighting of where you found your answers. And that is your assignment for today.